How to turn off the voice talkback feature on your OnePlus phone with Android 15. So if you accidentally turn this on here and you want to turn it off and you have no idea what to do, the first thing you can try is holding down the volume keys, both of them on your OnePlus phone. Go ahead and do that. Hold them down together and that's going to disable them. So hold it down for 3 seconds. And then it's going to tell you that it is off. Now, just in case this doesn't work for you, let's go ahead and do it the long way and turn this thing off. So in order to navigate this mode here and turn off the talkback feature, the first thing you need to know is using 2 fingers from now on is how you would operate your phone if you were to use 1 finger. So for example, you need to get into the quick access as your first step. Take your 2 fingers like this here and swipe down the quick access. The next thing I want you to do is select the settings option. And every time you want to enter into any option or settings, you'll have to single tap it first, then double tap. For example, single tap settings, and then you'll double tap it to enter into it. And the double tap is very quick. Now that you're here, you want to go down the list until you see accessibility, using your 2 fingers to navigate as you would normally. So going down, and you're going to pass all this here until you see accessibility. So single tap here and then double tap. Now you'll see all these different options here. The next thing you're going to do is select the word accessibility 1 time and then double tap it. So 1, 2, and you'll be taken to this area here. You'll notice that there are different categories for the accessibility area, and I want you to single tap the word vision right here and then double tap it. Now you'll be here and you're going to see TalkBack. So go ahead and double tap that, single tap first, and then double tap. And now you are here. This is where you can choose to turn it off. But before you turn it off, make sure that the shortcuts are also disabled. So make sure you turn off the shortcut and then you'll double tap the toggle itself. Okay, so the toggle is going to be a single individual option. So you'll single tap it and then 1, 2. That turns off the shortcut so you won't accidentally turn it on again. And now come back here to TalkBack and then single tap to select it and then double tap it. And you're going to see that prompt here. You'll select turn off, 1 tap, then double tap. And finally, you are off. And if this guide helped you in any way, like and sub.